Hello and welcome to my channel. Let us solve this set math question. So we need to find the average of 1 power 2 power 1 divided by 2 power 30 plus 1 divided by power 32. So for average we know that we need to take the sum and then divide by the number of numbers which are here is 2. So first of all let us take the sum. So I'm going to write over here. Let us calculate the sum. Now, if you can have a look, we are going to take the LCM. LCM, this is 2 power 32, this is 2 power 30. If I take the LCM, I'm going to make both as 2 power 32. For that, I have to multiply this by 2 square to make it 2 power 32. Because we know that a power m multiplied by a power n, this is a power m n. So this is now 2 power 32, and whenever I multiply 2 square with denominator, I have to also multiply it with numerator. So now we have 1 multiplied by 2 square, which is 4, 2 power 32 plus 1 power 32. Now the denominator is same, I can add the numerator. So this is 5 power 32. Now this is the sum. To take the average, I need to divide this sum by 2. I'm going to divide this sum by 2. So this will be, sum is this thing, 5 divided by 2 power 32 divide by 2, and I'm going to change this division now to multiplication. This will be multiplied by 1 by 2. This is basically 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 power 1. So we are going to get 5 divided by 2 power 33. So the average of 1 divided by 2 power 30 plus 1 divided by 2 power 32 is 5 divided by 2 power 33. Thank you.